Beep, 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 dropping them duties. Look at that. And look at this hybrid. That's half guinea, half chicken hybrid right there. See how long the hair is in the front? And it's white. No knot in the head knot. Good boy, beep, 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 dropping them duties. Woo! What's up, Pimp? Why you got that black face, man? Huh? Why you got a black face? You a breasty? There's a leg bar. Cream colored. Rooster on point. Why you been fighting, man? Did the guineas do that to you? Probably. Juju! Up now! This is our beautiful homestead. Every morning we start the same. I've been up for an hour already. These guys already ate and drank. Already fed all 11 dogs and watered them. And fixing to cook some breakfast and start the day. I got a lot of building going on today because we are finishing up securing our homestead. That way we can put all these chickens up in their own breeding groups and start breeding them out. They've been trying to hump the Indica gigantica. The turkeys had me. Come on, little bit. You gotta stay with the player in a pant. Juju! Get over here now! Belly! Now! Up! Come on, pimps! Hey! Now! Now. House. Come on, Belly. It is hot. Full on sweat in this cold morning. Come on, Belly. Come on, Juju. Thank y'all for choosing to start your day with us. Every morning I release hundreds and hundreds of birds and feed them. Take them down to the pond, feed the fish while I feed my chickens, and then I feed all my dogs. I welcome you every morning. Every night we put them all up. Come on, little Bezel. Junior! Out now! God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace.